Okay, buddy, here's your fuel cell with the bracket on it. You put the positive or negative, doesn't matter, battery, or you can put it on this side, positive, negative battery, whichever. And you slide your magnets down behind this plate right here and tighten it down here. Do not attempt to move these stainless fittings on any of on this or on the tank. If you do, you stand the risk of breaking the plastic. You've got this extra here, that's to connect to your alternator, and that red wire goes together. You've got your fittings for your 4-gauge wire here, and the extra one here for the battery side. Okay, with the red wire, it goes to your alternator. 2 other wires here go to your low water level sensor. You got all you have to do is get some wire and some hose. Hook it up, buddy.